quite a, what do you call it, celebration I could see. Huh? So the matter is, I'll tell you what the matter is. I go out, scammers do GPS spoof, and the meanwhile, at the same time, they are fucking capturing this. Okay, this is Zulu goddess. Lot more to come. And at the same time, I'll tell you what happens. I've been enjoying music. I have locked myself, and hidden camera must be giving them. Look, they are not leaving me jerking off. So if I'll enjoy music, then of course they are gonna fuck my happiness. Huh? They'll try and fuck my happiness. So what happened? That song came, Julie Julie. Huh? So in that thing, you have that. There is one lyrics. Some girl's father offers a bungalow, some girl's father offers to come and stay with them. But the song says completely that I kicked everything for you, right? So same way I want to say is I kick every pleasure, every money, everything. Just let me work. I'll buy bungalows. And they thought of like, then I'll give you. But where did I buy? Just let me work. Where did I buy? Where is my bungalow? Don't mention where is written on that bungalow. Is there written anything? Don't mention. No, right? Why will I give my father's property? You gotta fuck you. You are habitual to fuck your happiness. Getting this right? It's an habit to fuck your own happiness. Where did I buy that bungalow? Where did I work and where did I buy a bungalow? Where is the bungalow? There is no fucking bungalow. Getting this right? Yet, my own father's house is there, but my own, where is it? There is nothing. Not yet made. My own. That's why I have to delay my stuff. What stuff? What stuff? Being with someone. Before that I was, what do you call it? Before 2022 I was satisfied. Because work was there, money flow was there, everything was there. But after this scam thing, exposure, they kinda, what do you call it? Property is damaged, property is sold. So we lost a lot of chips then. We are bleeding chips. So we gotta make that thing again, right? That's what rich people do. I'll make 1,000 times more than that. But the matter is, let me get out of this shit. I think this right. And they want to do that scam call to themselves about the bangla below or gadi below, huh? Scam call to themselves, and they want the bungalow, huh? The property and car, huh? What nonsense is this? Huh? So, and if it's the celebration is for if I enjoy music, do it, fucking do it. The world should see how I enjoy. The world should see I am enjoying myself. Yeah, I'm in a fucking, what do you call it? Pleasure mode. Yesterday I was quite psyched. Few days back I went to Chembur and I saw went there in evening. I saw all that stuff. I was crying from inside. So it kind of hurt me a lot. Look, even now if I remember now, it's hurting me because those visuals, those images are coming into my in front of my eyes now. The stuff which I saw in Bombay, my town, east, not west. Never been attached to west. So those images are coming into my eyes. I was crying from inside, you know that. So leave it, that's a different part. I don't want to remember that, but Zulu goddess. Huh? Before that, I made this Mayan fellow. Take this one. And before that, I made an Apache. Beautiful, isn't she? Huh? Isn't she beautiful? So, and before that, don't ask me what I made. A lot of stuff. So, the matter is, look, she's making me forget stuff now. So the matter is, keep on enjoying your false moments. Keep on doing it. Keep on filming me. Keep on doing this. Keep on doing this. My case is getting stronger, and you are giving me my what do you call it, citizenship in foreign countries. You are giving it. That's the game.